Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix ARC Rader's GPU crash errors like DXGI error device hung, device removed, internal error on PC. First, we will force the game to use DirectX 11. This is very important because DirectX 12 can cause crashes on some systems. Open Steam and go to your game library. Right-click on ARC Raiders and open Properties. Stay on the General tab and find Launch Options. In the box, type -DX11 or -D3D11. Close the window and move on to the next step. Now we will disable the NVIDIA shader cache. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Find shader cache size in the list. Change it to Disabled. Click Apply and restart your PC to make sure the change is active. After restarting, we will delete old shader cache files. Press Windows key and R together. Paste this path and press Enter. %user profile, %, app data, /local, /NVIDIA, /DXCache. Select all files in this folder and delete them. This is safe and helps remove broken cache data. Finally, update your graphics drivers. Use NVIDIA GeForce Experience if you have an NVIDIA GPU, or AMD Adrenalin if you use AMD. Install the latest driver and restart your PC once done. Launch ARC Raiders again, and the GPU crash errors should be fixed. Thanks for watching.